How to color grade in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Start by selecting your clip and coming up to Window and choosing Lumetri Color. Once in Lumetri Color, we want to enter the Basic Correction tab, and here we can tweak the color and the light. I'm going to start off with light. So with exposure, if you increase this, it's going to make your scene lighter. If you decrease it, it will make it darker. I'm going to increase mine a little bit. For contrast, if you increase this will make your colors pop a little bit more. Decrease, it will make them look a little bit more flat. I'm going to increase mine. Highlights will allow you to increase or decrease the highlights within your video. I'm going to increase mine a little bit because of the snow. If we decrease shadows or increase shadows, it's going to affect the lightness or the darkness of the shadows in our video. I'm going to bring mine down a little bit. For whites, if you increase this, anything that is of a white tone will be increased in your video or decreased, and the same for blacks as well. I encourage you to tweak these until they're perfect for your video. If we toggle this off and on, we can see we've made quite a difference there with this basic color correction so far. Next, we're going to come and look at the color. If we tweak this slider right here, we can choose between a more warm look or a cold look. As I have a winter scene here, I'm going to go for a more blue tone for my video. Again, if we toggle this off and on, we can see the difference that color grade has made. And that's all there is to it.